boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Hope you are all doing well. I am, and I'm presenting Dylan Scott for you. You'd think I was a cowboy. Alright, so I'm not a cowboy. Dylan is obviously not, but we just play guitar. That's what we do. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna learn this song, You'd Think I Was a Cowboy, and it's very simple. We have 4 chords and this melody going on. We can go back and forth with the melody and strumming, and that's it. So let's start this with no capo here. We are going clean, and let's take a look at the 4 chords: A minor, C, E minor, and D. Starting with A minor now, we have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, so you just go up with your little ring finger on the 3rd fret A string. Everything else is the same. And that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, first B, and open E. So A minor and C, then we have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then the final chord will be D, and we have this version of it. So it looks exactly the same as the C grip, but you have it at this position, 2 frets closer to you, so to speak, and that gives us 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. All right, so we have that chord progression, and it goes from the beginning till the end: A minor, C, E minor, and D. All right, so let's take a look at the melody first, and we're gonna go chord by chord, starting with A minor, and that part goes like that. So I suggest you hold the chord as it is to start with, and you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, back to 2nd G, and then you're gonna add this note, 2nd fret A string. Okay, that works as a bridge to the next chord, and that will be the C. So you go to C and grip that chord, and you're gonna play this part. Okay, so that will be 3rd fret on A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, then back to open G, and then 2nd D, and then I snap off that to get the open D. Okay, so the last 2 notes were 2nd D from the actual chord, and then I just pull off. I don't hit that with my strumming or picking hand, my right hand. I just play the 2nd D, and then I pull off to get the open D. That gives it more of a fluid sensation. It goes quicker and flows better. All right, so that will be the C. Over to the E minor parts, and it's enough if you just hold the 2nd D. I hold the chord as it is, just my reflexes goes to that chord, and in that way you're all also ready to strum when that comes. That's that part. So anyway, you can hold the 2nd D, that's enough, and you're gonna play. That is open E string in the bass, then 2nd D, open G, open B, open G again, 2nd D, and back to open G. So, and then we have the final chord, the D, and you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So that is basically to go down and go back up like a pyramid. So 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, back to open G, back to 4th D, and back to 5th A. So there you have all the chords and the pattern here to play the melody. So I'm going to take you through one round. I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit to hear and understand how it goes. So if you miss a note here and there, it doesn't hurt as long as you keep up the pace here and yeah, just play the notes as close as you come to the chord. That's good enough. But you can start to practice slowly and then work your way up. Okay, so that is the melody. Let's go over to the final part, the strumming now. So of course, you're gonna hold the chords as they are. The full chords starting now with A minor. And one strumming round goes down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap, and then you continue with up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple rounds goes like this. All right, so you're gonna play one strumming round per chord, and of course in the same order. So A minor 1, C1, E minor 1, and D1, like this. Alright, so there we have it, melody, strumming, that's it. Dylan Scott's You'd Think I Was a Cowboy. Yeah, if you like songs like this, maybe Dylan or similar songs or just new songs, you want to learn them or actually have the chance to wish for songs on Growing Guitar and get your song out there, make sure you subscribe to Growing Guitar. Really appreciate that, and until next time, play tuned.